This is a game for a minute to win it, and I'm about to try to blow all of these cards off, and on the bottom there's an ace. So I have to blow all of these down. Okay?
Go.
Ready.
Cheetah. Slow it down.
Blow up from the bottom. Nope, from the bottom up.
Like this.
Nope. A little bit higher. Not all the way bottom.
Stop laughing.
Don't touch it.
I won't.
Are they glued down?
Yes.
With what?
Glue.
You. Ah.
Sorry, I didn't mean to scream.
You did it.
Yes, I did.
Yes, you did. Did you do it?
Yes.
How fun is it that you finally did it? How do you feel inside?